Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. After that, install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info, from this developer over here, and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your smartphone's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!